So hey guys, today we'll see how to create a professional Outlook or your Gmail signature. So without wasting time, let's get started. So firstly, we need to have an Outlook application, and if prompted, we need to sign up with either Microsoft account, or if you have Gmail account, you can log in with that. So we'll see how to create email signature now. So firstly, create a new email, which is here. Just click on it. And if you see here, there is an signature option. Just click on it. Go to signature options here. Just click on it. And the first thing is to open this get signature templates. So here there is a bunch of professional signatures that are in handy, which is provided by Microsoft directly. So when you click on that link, it will open this website, and you can also see get template hyperlink here. Just click on get template. Download this directly. Click on download. It's your wish. I just want to open it once because that is one-time process. So I will open it as it is. Or you can, if you want, you can save it. Just opening it. So here are the templates. So select one which you think it is suitable for you. So I may choose. Yes, let's take the first one. In my case, just click, select it, right click, and click on copy. So back to Outlook account. So if you open the signature panel, just close it, because I will tell you the reason why I told you. Just control V paste here, and here you can edit this image and edit this text directly. But whereas in the signature panel, here when you try to create a new one, let's say test, okay, and to paste it, you can't change the picture here, you know. So only thing I can say is right click and change picture. You can select picture from your view. So I'm just inserting this like this. So if you want to design it some way, you can do that as well. You have options here. Sorry, picture format and picture effects. If you want an effect, you can apply like this if it is suitable for you, or if you want to get into some shape, you can do that as well. And once it is completed, let me complete this first. So I just want to have it the shape. So once it is completed, try to edit all your details. Let's say in my case, it is and whatever your details you want, I just give, let's say, channel, and you can link all this by right clicking on it, and you can edit the link by clicking on edit link. Okay, and it will directly link to this icon. So in this way, you can first edit this, and once it is edited, Control C, or you can see, just copy it, and then go to signatures, then click on signatures, create a new one, or I already created a test just a couple of seconds before I showed you how I created this. Let me show you this, maybe um, example one. Just click on OK, and after clicking OK, just paste it here. So you can see now the whole signature which I tried here came here. And here, when you receive a message or when you type a message, whether you need to include this signature is up to you. So you can choose example one, and when you create a new message, you can give this signature. When you receive some replies, I think there is no need of setting multiple signs or multiple email signatures on a same mail. So as of now, I'm just discarding it. And if you want, let's say, So I create another one. Let's say best regards. Yes, which is a short form for my thing. So if you want to have a replies for that, I can keep this as well. Just click on OK. So this is a way how we create and manage the signatures. Of course, it is not a professional signature, but we have a professional things, right? Just see, this is a professional way which Microsoft is already providing us. So just go ahead and try to follow the same instructions and just edit this, and you will get a proper and perfect professional signature. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and if you like this content, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.